What topic do we have to do today? Let's go. Scroll down. Okay, we'll do taxes today. Okay, taxes करेंगे. Then we have theory and then controlling part. Okay. Okay. What are taxes? Okay. Let's go. Teaching sheet. Teaching sheet. Taxes. Okay. Okay. Taxes मतलब क्या होता है? कोई बताएगा मुझे? What are taxes?
Certain amount paying for the government.
Okay. What else? What kind of taxes are there in the world?
GST, sir.
Correct. Very good. What?
CGST, MG, SGST.
Correct. Very good. What else?
There custom
IGST.
taxes and before GST there were a lot of taxes. Other also income tax.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everybody has paid tax in their life. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see,
Yes, sir.
there are some steps here. Okay. Taxes. So first step we have to define whether it is input tax, output tax. Then it has to be country specific. In India it will be GST. UK there is VAT. US there is VAT. Then there should be a tax code. Yes. Amount, the percentage of money that goes to the tax. We have to make a GL for those. Yes. And then we have to do integration also. We have to go to OB40 and assign the tax code with the account key. So all these things we have to do. Now we will see. And then tax code. This tax code should be visible in the vendor invoice once we make that. Okay. So these are the steps we have to do. So tax is basically we pay something to the government. Yes. And it is a percentage of our salary. Yes or no? Usually.
Yes, sir.
There are different kinds of taxes also. When you have an FD or when you have a savings bank account or when you have NRE, NRO account, there are different kinds of other taxes. But mainly for SAP, there is input tax and output tax.
Output tax.
Okay. Now let's go. Mm, Pragati, read.
Yes, sir. In SAP FICO, input tax and output tax are used to record taxes like GST, VAT, but they apply to opposite business transaction. Imagine you own a furniture company. When you buy wood from a supplier, you pay GST to supplier. This is input tax. When you sell a chair to a customer, you collect GST from the customer. This is output tax. Input tax, tax you pay, and output tax is equal to tax you collect.
Okay, so understand this, okay? When you buy wood from a supplier, you pay GST to the supplier. You pay it, yes or no? That is input tax. When you sell a chair to a customer, you collect GST from the customer. That is output tax. Yes or no? Getting it? So now
Yes, sir.
you can ask the question, but why input tax is when you pay and why output tax when you collect? Input tax should be when you collect, no? Why is it the other way around? Why input tax is when you pay and output tax when you collect? Okay. Alekya, read.
This is one of the most confusing concepts in SAP FICO. FICO because the names does not describes the money flow. They describes the tax flow from the business perspective. Think of the tax, not the cash. Input tax. The word input refers to business inputs, things you buy. When you buy raw materials, machinery, or services, those are input to your business. Example: supplier sells you steel worth 10 lakhs.
Okay, wait, wait,
Sorry,
wait. The
1 lakh.
example. Wait. This is one of the most confusing concepts in SAP FICO because the names don't describe money flow. They describe tax flow from business perspective. Think of the tax, not the cash. Input tax. The word input refers to your business inputs, things you buy. Yes. When you buy raw materials, machinery, or service, those are inputs to your business. Yes. Even though you are paying the tax, but these are inputs. So that is why they are input tax. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, output tax. The word output refers to your business outputs, things you sell. You manufacture a chair and sell it. Chair price 2 lakhs, GST 36,000. Customer pays you 2 lakh 36. 36,000 is called output tax because it is a tax on your business output. Understanding input and output tax?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. This is very important to understand. Okay. Input tax and output tax. Once you understand this, the other things become very easy. Okay. Input tax is when you buy things. So when you buy things, this is an input to your business. Yes, output tax. When you sell things, yes, this is an output from your business. So that is output tax. Yes. Now, how much time is left? I think less than 1 minute. I will send you one more link. Please join that. Okay, everyone.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.